Let's start by creating our perler bead design. For this, we'll need some perler beads, of course, along with a perler bead pegboard, and if you'd like, some tweezers as well. In terms of the design, you can go ahead and freestyle something if you'd like, or if you need some guidance, there are plenty of print and online resources available. The Maricopa County Library District has a great selection of instructional craft resources, in addition to a number of hobby and craft resources available through the official website. Just click on the Research drop-down menu from the top menu bar on the website to get started. Today, I'm going to be making a Valentine's themed card, so I'll be going with a design inspired by that theme. So let's go. Okay, I finished my design. From here, I'll carefully cover it with a sheet of parchment paper and then iron it to melt it, being very careful to not burn myself or anything else. Now from here, I'm going to let it cool down for a few seconds before I carefully remove the parchment paper. All right, well, we have our perler bead creation, and now it's just time to make our card. For the greeting card, I am using a piece of cardstock that is 8.5 inches by 5.5 inches that I have then folded in half. So I will eventually be taping my perler bead design to the front of the card. But first, I want to complete any background designs or ink or colored pencil or anything like that, as it will be difficult to work around the perler bead design once it's been taped on. Today, I'm going with a simple ink stamp design using a stencil I've cut out on the Cricut. So before going further, I'll go ahead and stamp on the stencil design. Okay, now that we've finished the rest of our design, we can go ahead and tape on our perler bead design. From here, I'm going to add some few final touches and then move on to the inside of our card. All right, now let's move to the inside of our greeting card. Okay, so for the inside of our card, the plan is to put a tiny gift on the left side and a small message on the right side. So let's start with the left side. For this, we'll need a teeny tiny little bit of magnet and some tape. So as you can see, I have started the left side by writing a little message that's kind of hard to see, but what it says is, "Make me a magnet." And basically that's just a little message that's indicating to the receiver of this gift that if they so choose, they can remove the magnet that we are going to place inside and then tape it to their perler bead gift and make it into a magnet if they so choose. So let's go ahead and place our magnet into our card. Take some tape here. Ta-da! All right, now let's go ahead and finish our card by writing a little message in the right-hand side. And there you have it, guys. Our Valentine's Day themed Perler Bead greeting card that can be turned into a lifetime gift to be cherished forever is complete. I hope you had fun. But before we go, let's go ahead and see what this guy looks like on the fridge. Why not? Okay, let's try her out.